How to change password in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your current username and password to access your account dashboard. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the main menu. From the menu options, scroll down and select the settings or profile section where you can manage your account information and security preferences. Here you will find the option labeled Change Password. Tap on it to proceed. Then enter your current password for verification, followed by your new password. Make sure to create a strong and secure password by combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering the new password twice to confirm, tap on the Save or Update Password button. Finally, you will see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. From now on, you can use your new password to log in securely to the TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.